next monologue is Why Should a Bird That Is Born for Joy Stay in Its Cage and Sing? Performed by Vanessa McAuley. So Vanessa is a stage, film and television actress based in Kings Lynn, Norfolk. She has most recently worked on the TV pilot comedy Blank Canvas as the lead role of Tracy, and is currently in rehearsals with Slow Theatre Company for their two-handler Edinburgh Fringe show, The Haunted, which will be touring the country later this year. Before pursuing a career in acting, Vanessa graduated as a veterinary surgeon from the University of Nottingham in 2013. So she said she is very much looking forward to returning to the city to perform her message in a bottle monologue. So let's welcome her to the stage, Vanessa!
Colours of cornflower blue skies perpetuate my mind. Down the road, just where the wired out blackberry bushes still remain, an old, discarded McDonald's toy lays on the path, bought with great sighs after repetitive nagging. And if you stand long enough, still enough to feel the gentle wind's softness, you'll feel the soul-striking, childlike wonder wash over you. Summers flecked with fireflies. Take me back. This system is a trap. Messages programmed through screens, telling you what and who and where to think. When I was a young girl, I saw worlds through pages, and I travelled to countries with my small innocent brain and the soles of my muddy Clark shoes. I wanted to roam the city of Venice and find the magic pushed behind the barges of rusty barge doors, driven by jovial Italian men with chalked red cheeks and the wide grins. There are few of us now who dare to dream. Skirt just below the knees, blazers on at all times, hair professional, piercings none. You need to go to the toilet. You should have gone at lunchtime. Oh, we see these lies and the hypocrisy of it all as we bend and twist them for ourselves. But you're representing the school. We'll teach you maths and English and history. Hell, we'll even make you. And we'll enforce it on those who struggle. But we'll claim accessibility. Mortgages and credit cards. Why bother? Life is one long line and you'll fit in like any other. I was born in London, Hillingdon. raised in Birmingham, and I spend my life around the busy life of Nottingham. I lie in my bed, and when the signs of spring start to emerge, and the golden light pours through my window, I'm filled with an intense longing for the enthralling white sheets of my teenage bed, my adolescent home. I was born to question everything and find joy in the light of the skies. Question everything. Do you hear that? Whispers of rebellion. Until they become conscious, they will never rebel. And until they have rebelled, they cannot become conscious. Why do we lose the passion and the wonder that we had when we were kids? Why should a bird that was born for joy stay in its cage and sing? Okay, Vanessa, you can rest your thighs and hands after this. Your writer was Careese, Hutchinson. Do you want to give us a wave so we know where you are? Are you over there? That's your writer over there, Vanessa. Okay, so a bit about Careese. She's in her second year of studying English and film with television at Nottingham Trent. She says she's passionate about books and films and would love to get into theatre and screenwriting. Currently, Careese is a member of Nottingham Playhouse's Youth Board and a part of their theatre group for young people called She-Wolves. She's also assisting with the creation of a play called Perda by Mind Out Theatre. In the future, Careese says she would love to be an author and she can't wait to see where her path takes her. So let's give it up for Careese!